Softears have just launched a new IEM. This is their RSV MK2. The brand is back. They have this Mark II version of the RSV. The RSV was very loved by fans, so this upgrade now has the same identical 5 balanced armature driver setup on each side. I'm not the biggest fan of balanced armature drivers. Generally, not that I don't like it, but I am not the biggest fan of it because it doesn't really perform well in the low region. Many people have this issue, but one thing balanced armature drivers tend to do well is resolving sound in the upper mids to the higher frequencies properly. So that is the advantage of balanced armature drivers. Now, the original RSV was very popular. Many people liked the RSV for what it offered to music lovers. Now, this has been improved upon, even though it's using identical drivers as the previous one. Now, what they say is that they have enhanced the crossover with independent docks, and there is an all-new cable coming with this model. You'll also have an exotic new design. The design is more premium than the previous one. Audiophiles, music enthusiasts obviously will like this model. It's expensive. It's $700. It's definitely going to come into the crowded markets of BA, where it's going to try to compete with other sets. Whether it can at least justify that $700 price tag is going to be it's a different ball game altogether, because many people have different criterias for why they spend a lot on IEMs, at least to get those IEMs. This is just what it is. So $700 is the price tag. It's still using dual Knowles balanced armature drivers. The model number of this Knowles is the CI22955, and these drivers will be used for their low end, for the bass region. It's going to be made to produce strong low frequencies, and it's definitely going to hit hard. It's going to hit hard. It's as detailed as you can be in the mids as well. The other thing again is that they have a 4-way frequency crossover with 4 independent acoustic docks. Softears have said that they have equipped this version 2, the RSV MK2, with a frequency crossover, with a precisely frequency crossover design that will improve the sound over the original one. The other thing again they've upgraded is the acoustic structure that enhances the performance of each of the driver unit. So that is what they keep claiming. They say they've just improved everything around it, but they're still using the same drivers. So I do not know how this will turn out, even though they're using the same drivers. And they even say that that the bass here is now slightly stronger than the previous model as well. So look, if you have $700 to spend and try this experiment, then you can go ahead, get it. It's now available. I'll drop all the necessary details for you guys down below so you can check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.